Welcome to another video on the Paul Plant Horticulture channel. Now today I'm going to do something completely different. I have not done one in the past, and that is an unboxing. I know a lot of people do it, and I thought, why not? It's coming up to Christmas, and really buying plants through mail and getting them as a surprise is like a Christmas gift. And I remember in the 70s when my mum used to buy plants from Victoria, we got them up many weeks later. We just completely forgot what they were. And it was a wonderful surprise opening the box to see what we ordered and what we got, because quite often what we ordered, it was no longer available or they wouldn't send it to us. So I ordered this, I'm not too sure, not too long ago, because I actually forgot the order. And it's one of the plant groupings that I love. And I've done a few videos already on this group, but these are plants I don't have yet. And I really wanted them. And I couldn't find them at my local garden center. So online store I went, and I went to Nursery to You. Now this is not supported or paid or sponsored by this company. I just thought I'd show everyone kind of what you may possibly expect with a mail order experience. So first off, there's a copy of the order, a little welcome, some very basic care, which is really good for a starter kit. It explains with the invoice what I got, how much I spent, what else is in there. A really good full page of care sheet and some other really good information about unpackaging, first aid, the whole lot. It's worth reading all of this indeed. So what was in the box? Well, came like this, really well wrapped on the inside. Again, very well wrapped. Let's pull them out to see what I've got. Very carefully, without damaging any of the plants. As they say, start from the top, see how you go. Okay, the first one. Now it was wrapped in paper, and I've actually unfortunately ripped the paper. So this was very well wrapped up. All the way around the foliage, which is perfect. A good number of leaves, not just 2 leaves. I've got a few nodes, and I know it's too far away, but there is actually a growing tip in there, and it has shot. And that's a really good example of a good specimen to buy. So this is Hoya kerrii reverse pattern, which means the variegation pattern is on the inside light color with the green on the outside, because I already have the green in the middle and the light color on the outside. And this is known as the heart Hoya or Valentine Hoya or love Hoya. Good name, Valentine plant, great little plant. I'm very happy I've got this one. Now another one, let's open each one up. See, and that's how they were, individually wrapped up and supported with all of this extra buffering. Good pair of scissors, carefully cut. Open her up. The name will be in there towards the bottom, I suspect. Oh, this is actually the reason I bought any of them. So this is Hoya Sunrise, and it gets its name because it's a hybrid. The intensity and the pattern of the leaf when it receives a little bit of extra light is absolutely gorgeous. This is the reason behind the entire purchase. I'm so happy. Okay, it's like Christmas. This is a horticultural person's equivalent as opposed to winning the lotto. I would like the lotto, but this is as good. And quite often my partner buys me Christmas gifts which are plants. And I keep saying, I can get it cheaper, or I can be more specific with what I'm after. Okay, that said, it's still very, very nice receiving a horticultural gift for a present. Ooh, this is one of the greys, silvers. Silver Eskimo. Tiny little pointed leaves with that silvery hue all the way through it. This is going to be a beautiful cascading plant. I actually should open them up and see what they're like on the inside, but let's just pull them all out first. Whoa. I've forgotten how many I bought. Plus, I reached a certain level of purchases, so I got some freebies. So it's always worthwhile looking on the website, wherever you buy your plants. If you reach a certain level, are there any bonus plants that you can get? And make sure you check the website really well to get the best bonus for yourself. Now, this place where I bought the plants has much more than just Hoyas, but I was after Hoyas. Oh, Hoya shooting star. So this is a more upright plant. It's more like a sub-shrub, and it does require a little bit more extra TLC, but the flowers look like comets and shooting stars, which is why it gets its common name. This will need a little bit more of extra TLC compared to all the other Hoyas that I do grow. Now, the plants appear to be a very good size. Good roots, I can actually see through the bubble wrap. A good number of leaves, good stem development. This is what you are looking for. Not 2 leaves, but as much as possible. This is awesome. Carefully pull them apart. I don't want to damage the plants that I have paid for and the ones that have done so well in transport to get to me. Peel. Another little variegated plant. And this is Wayetii variegated. So more lineal, narrow leaves, a beautiful variegation in that. You can see a bit of coloration just here where it's getting a bit of sunlight, but the blush is there, that pink blush. I'm still going. As I said, this is kind of like Christmas presents for a gardener, a plant collector. And in truth, there are so many different types of plants you can get through mail order. So they can be African violets, philodendrons, in this case, Hoyas. You can get bulbs, obviously, perennials, grasses, trees. And this one is... This one, excuse me, sorry. People walking in. I've lost the label. There is no label. This must be my mysterious plant. It actually looks like Australis lisa. So I'm going to have to check to see if I can find a record of what it is, but I think it is Hoya Australis lisa. What else? Whoop. Making a bit of a mess. My dog. Wolfhound cross. Very silly. And again. Oh, hello. And a curtisii. Ah. Sticky tape is really extensive on this one. Little tiny curtisii with silvery leaves. Now, let's see if I can figure out what I got for my freebie. Clearance, Hoya Sunrise, baby, Hoya. There is a surprise. I actually think it's the lisa because I already have lisa growing. Let me just check to see if there's anything else. Ooh. Extra bonus, fertilizer. More fertilizer. Burrow down through the packaging to see if there's anything else. That's it. Okay, so when buying plants online, go for a reputable online seller. The sample of these are bushy. They're multi-stems with multiple leaves, which means I'm going to have really good success with these. The price of these I thought was very good, and the quality I am incredibly pleased with. So for a really good tip for a Christmas present, why not try some online shopping to see what kind of plants you can get, but follow your passion, increase your collection, and enjoy gardening. I know I will. And that's your garden tip for today from Paul Plant Horticulture. Enjoy your gardening and have a Merry Christmas in the weeks to come. Cheers for now.